Here's a sweet little mobile home. Needs a little TLC on that skirt, but let's take a walk on over up onto this landing and look inside. So inside, you've got this great open space here. It's an open concept kitchen, living room, dining room area. Lots of great windows for natural light and a nice warm feel in the air in that front area. This next room is the laundry room. It's got two closets. It's got a built-in chest of drawers there. The door slides to close off from the living room and dining room, and the washer and dryer are included. Here's our living room. Here's our kitchen, all one open space. There's that laundry room again, and we're going to see the bathroom in a moment. Going inside, and here we are in that bathroom. Of course, it's a three-piece bathroom with a tub and shower combination in the vanity sink area. It does close off to this back bedroom with a pocket door, sliding pocket door. You've got two closets on either side of that built-in chest of drawers, a nice window, two windows in there for some cross air and light with egress back door there. You can see all the way to the front of the house from this back bedroom, or you can close this sliding door for some privacy. And there you go.